Welcome to the world's largest sugar complex. Stay until the end to see the massive automated packaging machine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more massive factory processes.
Set that bundle down right there. Slowly now. Watch the alignment. Comment below if you've ever seen sugarcane fields this large. We read every comment. These huge trucks bring the raw material directly to the The raw sugarcane now faces a multi-stage shredding process. Giant blades and toothed rollers rip the stalks apart to prepare them for juice extraction. It's loud, This is where the magic really states. A series of massive roller mills applies incredible pressure to the shredded sugarcane, squeezing it. The raw sugarcane juice must be cleaned. First, it goes through high-pressure heaters to make the impurities settle faster. The lime-treated sugarcane juice enters massive clarifiers. Gravity separates the clear juice from the remaining mud and heavy. The clear sugarcane juice is now mostly water. Giant vacuum evaporation tanks use intense heat and low pressure to remove the
We are near the end. The heavy syrup enters massive vacuum boiling pans. Low pressure allows it to boil at a lower temperature. Chords. The fresh white sugar crystals are slightly damp. They enter a massive rotating drum dryer where hot air explosions. The dry sugar crystals are not all the same size. These multi-level vibrating screens sort the sugar into different grades. We are near the final packaging. But first, the white sugar must be stored in massive silos. These fully automated It doesn't stop. These massive robotic arms take the finished sugar bags and stack them perfectly on pallets.